Hi, I'm Asher reporting for Vodafone One Tribe. I have here sitting with me the Vodafone Warriors #1 supporting fan. We're here with the Vodafone Warriors #1 supporter, and I'm going to ask you a few questions about the Warriors. How long have you been supporting the Warriors for? Really? For 2.5 years of your life? All your life? Really? All your life? So who's your favourite Warriors player? Really? Steve Price? What Warriors player would you invite to your house to have dinner with you and your family? Really? Steve Price? And what do you guys have for dinner? Noodles? Oh, I'm sure Steve would love noodles. So you have any advice or tips you want to pass on to the boys?
Enjoy driving again.
Oh, ball skills. Okay, what type of ball skills do you want to pass on? You want to show us? Sure. Any last words? Well, there you have it, the Vodafone Warriors #1 supporter. I'm Asher reporting for Vodafone One Tribe. See you all next time.
Go the Warriors!